Hello and welcome to this channel. Amazon, like I've said on a previous video, they send me some of their items sometimes to test, etc. And it's another one of their basics. I do like reviewing sort of like budget line items. You've obviously seen it. I do budget e-liquids and stuff like that. I do like the budget line, trying to help people save money, etc. I know money's a struggle, so we need to save some money where we can. And this is sent from Amazon Basics. So Amazon Basics is their sort of budget line products, and a few of the items I've had, they seem quite good to be budget line. So this is a portable key storage box combination lock in grey. I can't find this on Amazon's website at the time of filming this. Like I said, it was just sent to me from Amazon. So Amazon, thank you for sending this out for me to test. Well, if I can find a link, if they are starting to sell it, I will put a link below at the top. But at the time of filming this, it kind of goes to a blank page on Amazon. They ain't quite ready to put this out for sale, but it may be out for sale now, and if it is, there will be a link below. Also, price wise, I don't know at the time of recording this the price of this item. If the price gets announced before this video goes up, the price will be on the screen right there. If there's nothing there, then the price ain't been announced. But I haven't had a look at this yet. I ain't got a clue what this looks like. It feels like it's made of metal just by the clinging. Let's open this and have a see. Oh, look at that. So it's come with an instruction manual, and that's what I'm presented with. Look at that. So look at this. So I'm kind of figuring what this is. This is sort of something that's got like a padlock, so you could maybe padlock this to somewhere. And you've also got there's a little pin in there. I don't know what that is, that part in there. You've also got this little storage part here. So when it's all locked up and that's maybe clipped to something, you can't get your whatever you want in there out. I hope they have provided me with a code. So it looks like that's how you properly lock it. So that's locked. It looks like the code could be 0000000 on this, 4 noughts. So if I just change that code, we should be locked now. We can't get this part out. We can't open this part at all. There is some grip around the side, but I can't get into that. So if I turn it back to the where's the noughts? So now if I turn it on the noughts on that red line, that should pull up and that will open, and you can put some valuables, etc. in there. Size wise, I don't think you're going to fit a credit card. You're definitely not going to fit a mobile phone or nothing. But I don't know, say you put something in there, that ain't going to fit. Yes, that's fit. That's in there. That's locked. We could spin that round. That is locked. You're not getting whatever that is. If I spin that back. Oh, spin that back. And there we go. So you've got a bit of space. Probably good. You could probably put jewellery in. You could probably put keys in. Maybe this is designed to put keys in. So you could put keys in. You could leave it padlocked outside, etc. I don't know, on a shed. Build wise, just having a fiddle with it. Build wise is quite good. This bottom part's, it's all metal. It's pretty much all metal. These little dials seem pretty good. Got an arrow so you know what part opens. The padlock bit seems pretty solid. So what you need to do, you've got a little hole there to change the code. So you've got a little hole there. You've got this little pin thing. So that's in your 000 position. You want to pull it up so it's like that. So not all the way out. You want it just pretty much like that. So it's like in that sort of position. Get your little pin, put it in the hole at the other side. Just needs to go below that. Push it in. When that's pushed in, that part there. When that's pushed in, you can change the code to anything you want. So now I've gone down the 111. Obviously do something individual to you, quite a good code, not a number like 11111. Pull it out, pull your little pin thing out. That's locked now on 11111. So if I change it back to 11111, we're open. So it's quite simple to use, change the code. that I have no issues with how to change the code. Like I said, put the code something good, don't just put the 000 or the 111s, because if people see this and it does stand out, you can easily tell what product it is. This is obviously the Amazon Basics key storage. It stands out, it looks different to other ones, it's got logo in, etc. People might know that the standard code's 000, so make sure, it's important, change the code to something. With this little pin, it's quite easy to do. Yeah, this is quite a good little storage box. Well done, Amazon Basics, and thank you for sending me that. I will see you lot on the next video.